Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're making an 18 karat Montana Sapphire engagement ring. Gold, 18 karat gold. So what I'm doing is weighing out the gold, silver, and copper to make the specific alloy for this. And that whole part. Oh, sorry. I forgot to not talk throughout the entire recording process. I will try to fix that next time. That way, I don't have to take the sound completely out and I can just do a voiceover with, what little bit of sound there is. But this is just the melting process. I should have sped that up. Oh well. Throughout the video, also, um, I had problems shooting certain parts. So parts were lost, or one problem or another happened. However, I did get most of it. Um, that is an 18 karat gold ingot that I was entranced by for a little bit there. At a moment. And this is me turning that ingot into some wire and a plate. Making the bezel for the sapphire. It wouldn't be one of my videos if I wasn't completely out of frame. Shocking. I know. And then doing some work with the saw, and then I'll do some more work with the saw, but first I'll bring out a Sharpie marker. Just checking to make sure it's the right size. Which, actually, that one, I'll never know if it was exactly the right size. I'm pretty sure it was. But one of the things I failed to catch was while soldering that thing shut, there was a problem. It melted, of course. It's what always happens. Just drawing out the general shape. Um, Hours and hours of filing off screen. Got it more into a precise shape. Yeah, there's some of that filing right there. Alright, so these were the basic shapes that I had gotten out. And then, doesn't always come exactly the way you want it to, so gotta do some more shaping, and that solder turned out okay. I would have liked liked it to have a better join. But it's sturdy, and I know it's going to be sturdy. Far more secure than like prong settings. Shaping the shanks, or the ring itself. File to get a very smooth join, as smooth as possible. Which I pretty much forgot to film all of those. Literally one. And that was because I remembered as I was going to do this, like, structural reinforcing solder there, that, oh hey, I didn't record this one either. That was on me. And then just some finished filing. I love how out of getting like 5 hours of video, which is condensing down a very lengthy 20-30 hour process already, most of the video was just unusable. I was just like, every time I try to do one of these nice ones, but oh well, it is what it is. Next I would have done bezel setting, but camera couldn't stay in a spot where it would stay in frame for some reason. I've set this into polyplastic and then spent a full day looking through a microscope, kind of like this, to see what I was doing so I could install some diamonds. Really, there's 5 more minutes of video? Sorry, I'm literally doing like a rolling recording, and I'm like, how is there another 5 minutes of video? I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still another like 6 hours, 8 hours of work, but that is a ball burr that I'm using to cut out partially the seats. There you can see I've gotten them fully seated by that point. I also used the setting burr. This is a really, really tiny ball burr. Really tiny. And that allows me to go down and do detailing under magnification and just barely moving the tool. Okay. Now that's the diamonds in their seats. Now I'm going to go split all those raised areas in between the diamonds into fractions. And from there, I'll then switch over. That right now you're seeing me do that splitting part, and I'm using a tip that's basically a chisel, and now I've got the more rounded edge one. Lost a diamond, had to go find it. And that takes those split areas. Oh wait, nope, that's not the rounded one yet. Maybe it is. No, that's the flat one, chisel one. The rounded one I'll then use to make those into more like little prongs, but they'll be round and easily polish up and not catch on things. And so yeah, here's this pretty ring with my beautiful cat, who's a pain in the butt, and screwed up me recording the voiceover twice. I love him. Thank y'all for watching. I love all of you. Take care of yourselves, and I hope to get another video out to you soon.